For 42 years, he's been at the helm of Youth Homes in Missoula, helping to grow it from just one home to 11 across western Montana. And now as Jeff Birnbaum prepares to retire, Jill Valley sat down with him to talk about what's next for him and for Missoula's kids.
I remind myself all the time that I was hired on a tie vote. It wasn't unanimous.
But 4 decades later, it's safe to say Jeff Birnbaum was the right person for the job. He never thought he'd be running youth homes this long.
I didn't come here and think, wow, I could build this into an organization. I just thought this would be fun, an opportunity, a challenge.
He does what inspires him and often lets that inspiration be his guide. Over the years, Youth Homes has evolved, working hard to keep kids out of their homes with more in-home services for area families. But he does know these are challenging times.
Pressure on families is greater, economics is tougher, housing is tougher, employment is tougher, wages aren't keeping up with housing costs in Missoula. And I think that kids pay the price of that, and the more parents have to work, the less time they have to be parents. I think kids are less optimistic than they've ever been, that's for sure. I mean, the statistics are not good on adolescent. What's going on between adults isn't helping kids grow up feeling good.
Jeff does feel good about the way he and his staff have approached care for kids as the needs have evolved over time.
While we have policies, we really are guided by a culture about how we work together and how we see kids and how we treat kids and what we mean when we talk about relationship and what we think is most important. I think I'm proudest of that.
Jeff's also the name to know in youth soccer, currently the coach of the 18U Missoula Strikers, and he's not ready to pull up cleats from that just yet. But as expected when closing the door on a lifelong career, he's now reflecting on the job he did.
People say, what are you going to do when you're retired? What I'm doing right now is looking back and assessing my own life and saying, was I good? Did I live up to that? What would people say if I were to die? I'm not very worried about January 1st. I think it's a time to look back and say, did I meet the standard that I thought of when I was 13?
In Missoula, Jill Valley, MTN News.
Beth Cogswell will take over Geoff's position at Youth Homes on January 1st. All right, up next in Health Watch, Canadian doctors are working on a new tool to help identify people